Could you really make £4,000 a month on the side without quitting your day job? Most people assume that you need to go all in, hand your notice in, and hustle 24/7 to reach financial freedom. They're actually making things so much harder for themselves. How do I know? Because I've spent years helping busy professionals build property portfolios without risking their steady incomes. And I've also built a property portfolio that generates more than £4,000 a month for myself. And if you leave your job too soon, banks won't lend to you and you'll waste a lot of time wondering what to do next instead of earning money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can realistically build £4,000 a month side income without sacrificing your security, what to focus on first, and the simple setup behind the scenes that makes this work without burning out. But first, let me tell you about the biggest mistake I made when I got started in property, because chances are this is exactly what's keeping most of you back right now. When I first got started in property investment, I was determined to learn everything I could. So I spent £10,000 on courses and jumped in as fast as I could. 1 minute doing rent-to-rent serviced accommodation, the next minute doing rent-to-rent HMOs, and then looking for lease option agreements, jumping from one thing to another because the next thing sounded more exciting than the previous. And after 12 months, I had absolutely nothing to show for it. It wasn't until someone sat me down and said, you need to stop jumping around and just do something. And I finally realized what I was doing wrong. So I partnered with someone who had loads of experience flipping houses. We made some money and I just grew it from there. And the reality is there's no perfect strategy, just one that you can commit to and execute well. Trying to master 5 strategies at once is like spinning plates. You'll end up being average at all of them and successful at none of them. So just pick one strategy that suits your lifestyle, your risk appetite, and learn it inside and out, and then execute consistently. And your first few deals should just follow the same blueprint. And by the way, if you're really serious about making this happen, I've put together a free property investment playbook to help you get started. It's filled with checklists and free course content and a bunch of other things like calculators to help you get started and clearly create a roadmap for getting your first deal done. But now that you know the first step, let's take another look at the £4,000 per month target. See, another huge mistake I made was setting an arbitrary goal. Early on, I kept throwing around big numbers like, I want to make £10,000 a month without knowing what that really meant or how I'd even get there. It wasn't until I sat down and figured out my actual expenses that I had a very clear target. And suddenly things started making a lot more sense. £4,000 a month sounds scary, but it's just a case of maths. If a single let property makes you £250 per month, you'll need about 16 of them. If an HMO makes you £1,000 a month, 4 good properties might hit your goal. Reverse engineering transforms your vague dream into clear, actionable steps. Every property moves you closer. So sit down, calculate your numbers precisely, and map out exactly how many properties you need. And once that's clear, execution becomes your only focus. But the question that most people will be asking is, how do I execute consistently whilst I'm working my 9-to-5 job? One of the painful lessons I learned was when I tried to do everything myself. I'd already done renovation projects using project managers, but decided that I would try my hand at managing a refurb myself, down to working out exactly what materials were needed when and who needed to be on site exactly when. And it turned out to be a nightmare. Deadlines slipped, the quality suffered, and I didn't actually save any money. I ended up working from 7 a.m. one morning to 3 a.m. the next day. I had a 3-hour sleep, and then I woke up and did another full day until 10 p.m. 2 days of pure hell that I will never forget, all because I didn't get out of my own way and bring in the right team. Property investing is a team sport, especially if you're juggling a day job. You simply won't have the time to manage every single detail yourself. You need to build your power team before your first deal. So what you'll need is a solid mortgage broker, a quick and reliable solicitor, property management or like a manager or a letting agent, a trustworthy project manager, and possibly a property sourcer to help you actually find the deals. This team becomes your system, making property investing sustainable alongside your 9-to-5 job. So getting that team right is absolutely vital. That's just the beginning, because once you've got the system working, there's no reason to stop there. You can scale this, you can stack deals, increase cash flow, and reinvest smartly. So if you want to know what that looks like, watch this video next, where I break down exactly how to grow this into a strategy that makes £45,000 a month without quitting your job.